In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view your trading accounts on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see the main navigation menu there. In that menu, click on Trading Accounts to open the section where your accounts are listed. After selecting Trading Accounts, give the page a moment to load fully. Once it opens, you will be taken to the Trading Accounts page, where you can view the list of trading accounts connected to your Pepperstone profile. This page gives you a clear overview of the accounts that are available under your login. Now start browsing through the list of accounts shown on the screen. As you review each one, look at the account number and the platform connected to that account. This helps you identify which trading account you are looking at, especially if you have more than one account in your profile. Next, check whether each account is marked as a live account or a demo account. This is important because it lets you quickly tell the difference between real trading accounts and practice accounts. Pepperstone usually displays this information directly in the account listing, so it should be easy to spot as you scroll through the page. You can also review the available account details shown for each account. This may include the current account status and the account balance. Take a moment to look over this information so you can confirm that each trading account is active and displayed correctly. If you need more information about a specific account, click on that trading account to open its detailed view. Inside that section, you may be able to see additional account information that is not shown in the main overview. This is useful if you want to inspect one account more closely before returning to the full account list. Once you have finished reviewing the details, go back to the Trading Accounts Overview page. From there, continue checking the rest of your available accounts until you have reviewed them all. This final check helps confirm that you can successfully access and view the details of each Pepperstone trading account linked to your profile. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.